Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing. For today's tech tip, I'm going to be showing you how you can find and or edit your KW agent site subdomain. This is helpful if you are not sure what your subdomain is, or you would just like to edit it so that it is more customized to what you are looking for at the moment. So we are going to start with signing in to command, and that is agent.kw.com. So once we sign in with our KW credentials, and we are at the home screen, and we are going to go to the website's applet on the left-hand side. If you would like, you can click the red square with the white KW on it, and that will pop out a menu so you can see all of them. And we are going to go to the website's applet. Once we are here, we are going to go to settings at the top. And once we are in settings, you will see your current subdomain right here. And so this is great if you are not sure what it is and you would like to find it. If you would like to edit it, you can just edit it however you would like. So you can remove it or you can put it back. And then you will click Save Changes. Once you click Save Changes, it will immediately update your current KW website. As a note, this .kw.com is automatically populated and you do not have to include that. This is just updating your subdomain. If you have any questions or you run into any snags with this, please do not hesitate to reach out to us by email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.